Yeah, so I got it cleaned up. Looks pretty good when it's cleaned up. Heading up to a little bit of a car show, going to the ICMP, International Children Memorial Place in Kincora, Prince Edward Island. And there'll be a few old cars there, plus it's a, you know, a picnic for the park. You can look for ICMP on the internet, and it's a place for people who have lost a child, to memorialize a tree for the child. I do a bunch of volunteer work for them, just on the mapping and stuff like that. Photos. I take my drone up and do a drone shots for them and stuff like that. Anyway, that's where I'm heading today. I guess best clean the windshield. Yeah, so traveling along on the way to Kincora, and of course there's a tractor in front of me, so we're going 25 kilometers an hour. The GPS speedometer seems to be working pretty good. I've checked it against my phone. No, you gotta wonder what the tractor's gonna do now. We'll move our way over so he doesn't walk into it. Oh, there he is, going off the road. Looks like he's got some hay to make there. Anyway, there I am, and then right behind me, that car right behind me, that's Gus, running a support vehicle, just in case this one here doesn't perform as well as it might. Anyway, I'm pretty sure we're all right. So, see you along the way. Used to have a thing that said what it was.
Well, the only Hey.
Hey guys.
Good day.
Hello.
Huh?
Come in. Yeah, we're out here doing the YouTube.
Oh really?
Yeah, there you go. You'll be famous now.
It's a great day for it.
Yeah. Now I had a picture on there what it was, but it's gone away. I don't know where it went.
Any of them. So Dave must take it. No, there's.
Yeah, that one there. Yeah, maybe they're making one. Who knows?
Yeah, we'll see him.
Yeah, we'll just walk around and have a look at all of them. Lots of cars here today. This is at the ICMP, International Children's Memorial Place, Kincora, Prince Edward Island. This is the organizer's car right here. Dave, he organizes this. Old and new. Everything you can possibly imagine.
How was your grandbaby? Good. Have you seen any pictures like?
Lots of. Yeah, I got a thing for these old Mustangs. I like them. That was really pretty with a nice paint job. You guys found all the shade.
We did.
There's one for Doug, right? How's the hot dogs?
Good.
Oh, I better try one. This, whose car is this? Your car?
No, mine. Chevy over there.
Oh yeah, okay. That's a nice car.
Yeah.
That's really nice. Mine's that one over there, the little BMW.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
What year's that one?
76.
Not bad.
Yeah, it wasn't like that when I got it. Anyway, I'll put the drone up in the air and we'll have a look at stuff. Yeah, so this is Scales Pond, which is a man-made reservoir. The dam is, you'll see the dam a little bit later on as they go around. But there used to be electric generation from this pond that served about maybe 500 or 600 houses in the area. And it was all, the generating station is still on site, and some of the equipment is still on site, but the water doesn't flow through anymore. But it is kind of interesting. Yeah, so this part here travels into the trees that are memorialized all the way along here. As it gets, the older the trees are, the bigger they are. So you can see from this perspective right here up until the end, they get pretty tall by the time they're at the end there. So about, I don't know how many years, 20 years it's been growing here, maybe a bit longer. And this particular day today is a picnic day, like the annual picnic. So there's lots and lots of cars here and lots of people here having a hot dog, having a bouncy castle, having, there's a duck race down the creek or down the river. It's the Dunk River. And so they have a duck race down the Dunk River just after the dam. And then there's the car show that goes along with it. This is where I brought my car to. There I am, the gray one, way over there in the distance. There's some pretty nice cars here, and it's a fun event. Nice to see all these old cars lined up like that. If you want to come along next year, I think it's on July 26th this year, so I think it'd be a Saturday or a Sunday close to that date next year. Anyway, there you go. Okay, this building just right ahead of us here is the old generating station from years and years ago. All the equipment is still in there, but there's no connection to the water anymore. Then that's an old schoolhouse and a bouncy castle right there. Bouncy castle right there. And a new garage below us here. It's off to the right is the old farmhouse. There it is. The lawns and everything are really nicely kept up. It's a very, very beautiful spot to come, and you can go fishing. There's good fishing in the little pond here, Scales Pond, and there's a couple of boat launches. No motors, just electric motor only if you want a motor. And I think we're going to go down here and take a look at the river, and they're getting ready to put the ducks in the water. If you have a look at, there's some people swimming the river to get the ducks in the water. Maybe we'll get there. Oh, we're not going there yet. We'll go around a couple more corners here. Live music right there, and the bouncy castle right there. Cavendish Farm supplied a nice French fry truck, and the hot dogs are getting cooked right in front of the schoolhouse there, which is a good place for cooking hot dogs. in the shade, and there's ice cream on the veranda. It's all pretty good. Yeah, if you look closely there, you'll see they're getting the boom across the water to capture all the ducks in. And then I think they'll pull that boom, let the ducks go, and they catch them farther down for the race. Maybe they'll let them go just right at the top of the dam. I'm not really sure. Hopefully somebody has some, maybe they catch them all right here. Hopefully somebody has some video and we'll see what happens. It might be just a pretty short race coming from the dam down to there, which would be a good duck race. Yeah, and then they're lined up for hot dogs. And that's okay. I'll get one of those soon. There you go. Made it back. That was a pretty good trip for this little car. That's about 130 kilometers round trip, maybe a couple more. Who knows? But the picnic was pretty good. Hot dogs were great. The people were very nice. If you want a nice place to go and just have an afternoon to sit in the shade of a tree, go on up to the ICMP. You might enjoy it. Okay, see you later.